Understanding opportunity is pretty simple. It's a matter of trends. Innovators and successful entrepreneurs understand that there is always opportunity. Consumer trends, demands, and knowledge create opportunity constantly. Looking into the future is not that hard either, if you focus. For instance, let's look at the massive health, nutrition, and wellness industries. These industries show us that consumer demand is higher than ever for innovative products that will improve health and lifestyle. Finding opportunities is a matter of knowing the past, seeing the present, and understanding where the momentum is leading in the future. Health and wellness have been driven for a century by eras of innovation and discovery, cutting-edge ideas that came at the perfect times to capture consumer attention. In the 1950s and 60s, for instance, the idea of encapsulated herbs, vitamins, minerals, and nutritional supplements exploded and created massive new businesses. Each decade since has essentially been a new era of discovery, innovation, and opportunity. The idea of protein-based weight management drove opportunity in the 1970s and 1980s. And the 1990s and 2000s were driven by the discovery of superfruits and super plants. From era to era, discovery and innovation led to opportunity in a very defined pattern, each era leading to the next naturally. Astute observers know that consumer demand follows innovation and creates massive opportunity. That fact was true yesterday, it remains true today, and it will be true tomorrow. With that in mind, the following is an introduction to a new company that is on the leading edge of the newest era of health innovation. The company is called Lovebiome. The first word, love, you know. The second word, biome, is a word you may not be familiar with yet. A biome is a community of organisms. A microbiome is a community of microscopic organisms, or microbes. You'll soon realize the health message most critical to you is the call to care for your microbiomes. Lovebiome is the microbiome company. It was founded by Kelly Olson, Sean Whitney, and Cody Day, who were then joined by 6 other co-founders. Each founder and co-founder of Lovebiome shares a 20-plus year genealogy of success. Together, the 9 Lovebiome partners have well over 250 years' experience in cottage entrepreneurism, with 180 of those years working together. The founders and co-founders of Lovebiome have a proven track record of creating success. They all come from the shared experience of building one of the most successful and innovative companies in the industry's history. The Lovebiome team was the significant driver of the growth and success of Tahitian Noni. This is where they gained their passion for the miracle of pure organic botanicals. Their love of noni fuels their passion for botanical discovery that continues today. The unexpected sale of the company they were building together brought that experience to an abrupt halt. After over 20 years together building one of the most successful direct selling companies ever, they were left to decide what their future looked like.
It was a very powerful feeling of having unfinished business. We'd positioned that company for a tremendous run, but our plans died with the sale. We knew we had greater contributions we could make to this industry. We just had to dig deep to see what was inside of us.
I felt for sure the best ideas were waiting for us. Miranda was a time for us to discover the possibilities of a well-run company with a great vision. We felt deeply that Miranda was the prelude to something even greater.
There really was an empty feeling that we needed to satisfy. We felt our best work was ahead of us.
Kelly, Sean, and Cody formed a company called Global Organics Merchants. This would be the precursor to Lovebiome. In the early days, their only purpose was to discover plants. They used their time to discover and evaluate plants from around the world in every geography, from the local organic farm to the islands of the Pacific to the slopes of the Himalayas and spice markets of the Middle East. Simply stated, there was one idea that drove their passion from the beginning: plant life gives life. As their discoveries of plants captivated them, something else was happening. They were looking for a single, focused idea that could be the theme for their discoveries. One thing. They simply wanted to answer this critical question: is there one thing that we can focus on every day to reach optimal health? In 2022, they launched Microbiome. They built this company to bring together their two passions: plant life gives life, and the power of one thing. At Microbiome, they envisioned the potential and importance of microbiome health. The human gut microbiome contains over 100 trillion cells. Its mass is roughly the same as the human brain. 90% of our DNA and over 3.3 million unique genes are contained in this biotic community. Truth is, we are more bacteria than human. In their research, the Microbiome team discovered more and more scientists were labeling the human microbiome the center of health. Of all the concepts they encountered, this idea stuck the most. If the human microbiome is the center of health, this surely is the one thing they had been searching for. Changes in the gut microbiome, they found, have a direct impact on every cell and physiological system in the body. Kelly, Sean, and Cody were inspired to learn that there is a direct connection between the human brain and the human gut microbiome. This gut-brain connection offers huge and important information about mental health issues such as sleep, mood, depression, memory, and comprehension. The message gets even bigger as we learn that the skin is also part of this health axis in the body. The gut-brain-skin axis teaches us that there is a direct link between the two largest microbiomes in the body, the gut microbiome and the skin microbiome. Microbiome health is human health, comprehensive health. It is about good versus bad. Good, life-giving, and protecting bacteria versus bad, harmful, and destructive bacteria. The application of this knowledge has enormous impact on issues of human health such as the following: weight loss, sleep, mood, memory, depression and comprehension, energy, athletic training and performance, immunity, healthy aging, and more. The era of the microbiome has created an explosion of scientific research and discovery. The idea of the microbiome as the center of health in the body has been validated again and again by research. Today, microbiome health remains relatively unknown to consumers, even though governments, companies, researchers, and universities share a profound interest in microbiome health. But it won't remain hidden for long. Interest is growing exponentially, and within 5 years, microbiome health will be among the most important nutritional health topics discussed online and reported in all media. Microbiome health will become the most critical influence in health, nutrition, recovery, prevention, and even beauty. The size of the microbiome health market is slated to reach nearly $90 billion by the end of this decade. Microbiome is dedicated to the care and keeping of your amazing microbiomes. Its products are plant-based solutions designed to do three things. First, help populate each microbiome with a rich and diverse array of friendly bacteria. Second, feed that bacteria to achieve optimal health results. Third, detoxify the body and skin using the power of nature. The Microbiome team called on their passion for plants to accomplish this, remembering always their creed: plant life gives life. Over 400 unique, globally sourced botanicals were examined for their benefits and synergy. This examination led to the final selection of over 90 unique ingredients for the Microbiome Daily 3 system. The same process was used in the design and development of postbiotic body souffle. Each ingredient in every Microbiome product was carefully scrutinized and chosen to help create the very best environments for the body's microbiomes. Love Biome's formulas employ prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. Additionally, Love Biome products focus on polyphenol-rich botanicals, fermented foods, nutrient-dense fruit and vegetable blends, digestive enzymes, and more. Love Biome's botanical reach is global, all to answer one simple question. Is there one thing I can do every day to reach optimal health? The answer is yes. Love Biome is the answer. This is the brand. This is the brand that will dominate the category and create deep customer loyalty. Welcome to the era of the microbiome.